Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the Science 9 Term 1 Week 3 Day 2 Force Diagram and Interaction Forces. Objectives: analyze how force diagrams help illustrate the effects of interaction forces on motion. Demonstrate interest in learning interaction forces in real-life situations and draw correct action-reaction force diagrams. For activity, instructions: divide the class into a small group. One student will act as the racket and another as the gas thrust. The gas thrust students will gently push backward and then the racket student will step forward. Okay, guide question. Why did the racket move forward? The racket moved forward because of the interaction forces. When the gas thrust pushed backward, the racket experienced an equal and opposite reaction force that moved it forward. Okay, what is the action force? The action force is the gas thrust pushing backward. What is the reaction force? Okay, the reaction force is the racket moving forward as it experiences the opposite force. Okay, scenario. Mark is a basketball player who jumps to shoot the ball. When his feet push the floor downward, his body moves up. What force does the athlete exert on the floor? Okay, the downward force. What force does the floor exert on the athlete? Okay, the upward reaction force. Why is jumping possible? Because of interaction forces. So kung wala palang interaction forces, jumping and walking is impossible. So what is a force diagram? A force diagram is a vision tool that shows forces acting on object using arrows. Okay, why use force diagram? It helps students understand motion, shows direction of forces, illustrates interaction between objects, and makes abstract physics concept easier to see. Okay, important principle, action-reaction forces involve only two objects. Forces are equal in magnitude or yung amount but opposite in direction. Forces do not cancel because they act on different objects or bodies. Okay, the effects of interaction, the forces on motion. Okay, interaction forces or the action-reaction forces directly affect how objects move. These forces always occur in pairs and act on two different objects. Even though they are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, they can still cause motion. Samples of force diagram. Ayan, person sitting on a chair. Person pushes chair downward or the action, and chair pushes person upward or the reaction. Okay, bat hitting a baseball. Bat pushes ball forward, the ball pushes bat backward. Okay, next example, a car hitting a pole. Okay, car pushes pole forward, the pole pushes car backward. Okay, another one, the rocket propulsion. Gas is pushed downward, rocket is pushed upward. Okay, for activity, individual instruction, draw one real-life example of an action-reaction force pair. Use arrows to show the direction of forces. Write a short explanation about your drawing and make your own work clean and neat. Here's the criteria.